Breaking news coming in this morning. AFSPA has been extended in Nagaland for 6 months beyond this month ending. As of this moment, on the 20th, the Nagaland Assembly has unanimously passed the resolution against AFSPA. This continues to happen. Arvind joins us for the very latest. Arvind, just take us through the background on this story, please.
Sonal, after this botched army operation in Nagaland in the first week of December, almost 14 civilians were killed. There was a huge uproar in the northeastern state demanding the repeal of this controversial AFSPA, that is the Armed Forces Special Powers Act. So the not just the civilian groups, not just the people, that even the political parties of all spectrum, unanimously a resolution was passed in the Nagaland Assembly on December 20th, demand of AFSPA in the state. So this amidst the chorus of that controversial or a botched army operation in Nagaland on December 4th, where almost 14 civilians were killed. So now what we are seeing is a notification that has been put out by the MHA, Ministry of Home Affairs, where they have extended the AFSPA, the controversial AFSPA in Nagaland, for extending it beyond 6 more months from today, because the AFSPA, the earlier extension of AFSPA of 6 months was to end today. So because it is ending today, the government has extended it for 6 more months. So we have to wait for a reaction from the Nagaland government, because the Nagaland Chief Minister had also demanded repeal of this controversial law in the state. Also, very importantly, the centre has also constituted a 5-member committee to look into the possibility of repeal of this controversial act in Nagaland. But because the law is ending today, and the government thought that it is still a dangerous situation where the state has to be, the entire state has to be construed as a disturbed area under AFSPA. That's why they have extended it for beyond 6 more months from today. But we have to wait for an official reaction from the Nagaland government. Like we have been reporting, that Nagaland Assembly unanimously passed the resolution seeking the repeal of this controversial act in the state on December 20th.
All right, but what is the jurisdiction over here, Arvind? Who gets to have the final call in this matter?
Under AFSPA, the centre has the powers. Only centre can extend the tenure or tenure of this AFSPA, including not just the extending the tenure. It's up to the centre, whether the centre can also restrict the AFSPA only to a limited space. Because there are a few other states where we have seen where the centre has restricted the AFSPA, the application of AFSPA, the controversial act, only to a limited police stations or only to a limited district. But in Nagaland, the entire district has been identified, has been marked as a disturbed area under the AFSPA. So that means the entire state comes under the AFSPA, the Armed Forces Special Powers Act. So the entire Nagaland state comes under the AFSPA for 6 more months beyond December 30th. So centre has the complete power when it comes to the extending of AFSPA and also the jurisdiction under AFSPA.
All right, Arvind, thanks so much for joining us. With that, in fact, our colleagues have been reporting from ground as well, talking about how there are statements being made by some army officers there in that probe on what happened just a couple of weeks ago, and the civilians, over 10 of them, lost their lives over there. So that's a continuing story. At the moment, centre has imposed AFSPA for 6 more months.